Hey, DFWN Radio Gospel Station family, this is Mr. Henderson, the president and co-founder of the station. I have a very valuable resource for you. If you're like others as myself and you need assistance in your credit restoration, I want you guys to give a call to V1T Financial Consulting under the leadership of Tara Smith. She is a financial literacy advisor, and I promise you, she will help you get going the right direction. Give her a call today at 469-298-8028. Again, 469-298-8028. You can also connect with her via Facebook, and also you can also send her an email at V1T Financial Consulting at gmail.com. Again, it's V1T Financial Consulting at gmail.com. Okay, would you do that for me? Be blessed. And remember, our motto is we do believe in making ministry, gospel music, and small business number one, heard in households nationwide via the Live 365 platform. Be blessed. I love you, but God love you more.